the Ridge wallet. I've had this now for 6 months and we need to talk about it. Yeah. So about 6 months ago, Ridge wallet graciously sent me this to review. They wanted me to review it and then tell y'all what I thought. And in that video, they gave me like a little 10% off coupon that you can use. I'm not sure if it still works or not, but I'm still going to put it down below in the description. But they just wanted me to give an honest opinion on this because that's what I do here on this channel. I review things that I like, I review things that I'm interested in, and we talk about it. We have an honest conversation. So when Ridge Wallet sent me this, I was just like, I mean, okay, I guess we'll see. Because I just had a normal wallet before, you know, like one that just folds, like no big deal. But I've been using this every day since then, and I actually really like it. Is it for everybody? Absolutely not. But I want to address certain things that I saw in the comments. So for one, no, Ridge did not pay me a dime to make that video. They just gave me a wallet. Whoop-de-doo. So I'm sorry if it felt like an advertisement. I genuinely liked it. And 6 months later, spoiler alert, I still love it. I really do. But here's why. I'm personally not somebody that carries cash. If you carry cash, there's not much cash you're gonna be able to put in this. At most, I've carried around $100 in here. You know, like 520s, because it has this money clip. I keep my gym card, like the scan in, and my ID outside of the protection of this wallet and in this little money clip on the edge right here, just because those two things I'm going to need more than any other things probably. So they're right there. The other 8 cards inside, because I have about 8 cards in there, are not hard to get to. I saw people in the comments try to act like this is like the most difficult thing to navigate through. Let's look at this. I'm using 4 fingers, okay? So if you pull that away, guess what? That's not hard. So then you can use the rest of your fingers and just kind of navigate through with your cards one by one. Which one am I going to use right now? You know? And then you pull it out and it's like, oh, snap. And then you put it in the machine and then you put it back. It's simple. There's not much else to it. Obviously, there's no place to put your change. If I had change, assuming I had cash, I'd put the change in my pocket or I'd give it to somebody. I don't carry cash. And I don't carry change. If I had one of those things, it would just be in my normal pocket, I suppose. This is for your cards. And like I just showed you, I mean, they might just pop out just like that. It's not difficult to navigate through your cards. There's technically 10 cards here, and I wouldn't have it any other way. So if you're somebody that just carries your cards and you're not a cash type of person, and you still want to give yourself protection so nobody can use one of those little scammer scanner things and take the information from your cards, then this is for you. But if that's not you, then that's okay. This is 100% not for everybody. Another thing I kept seeing is people saying how it scratched their cards up. I'm not noticing any scratches on my cards, like personally. Let me pull out like a more plasticky card I have here. I'm not noticing all these like crazy scratches to the point where I'm just like, ooh, can't use my card anymore because it's all scratched up. Like, no. Like, for real, like, everything's just fine. It fits easily in your pocket, feels good in your hand, and personally, it's the best wallet I've ever owned. Are there others that do other things and are completely different than this? Yes. But for the sake of holding your cards securely, because they're not going to fall out of here, like they're in there and they're not going anywhere until you open that up right there with just one finger, y'all. Hold your cards tightly and then peel it away. Boom. Then you can just cycle on through. Until you do that, they're in there and they're freaking not going anywhere. So if you want a secure way to hold all your cards, then I think the Ridge Wallet's 100% for you. If you hold a lot of cash and a lot of change, then clearly this is not your jam. But the way that my wallet runs and the way that I spend my funds, this is perfect for me. So I'm gonna link this below and many others in the little YouTube shop down there. I think it'll show up in the description. It might show up somewhere in this video, but linked from this video will be multiple versions of the Ridge Wallet. And again, if you have any questions, I'll happily address them. Just comment those down below and I'll get to your comment and reply to you as soon as I see it. But I hope y'all have a good day, and I hope y'all enjoy your Ridge wallet.